In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an LUT number to your Zoho Books account. Let's get started by logging into your Zoho Books account. You'll want to ensure you have your login credentials handy. Once you're in, look towards the left side of the interface where you'll find a menu. This is your gateway to managing all your bookkeeping needs within Zoho Books. Now, let's focus on getting your LUT number added. Navigate to the Settings menu. You can find this in the drop-down under your account name or organization name, depending on the version you're using. It's typically located in the upper right corner of your screen. Selecting Settings will take you to various configuration options available in Zoho Books. Location is key here, and easily locating these settings will enhance your experience. Next, within the Settings page, you'll see a section labeled Organization. Under this section, there's a subcategory called Profile. The organization profile is where all your company's key information resides. Selecting Profile reveals a range of fields and options that allow you to input and update vital details about your business. As you scroll through the Profile section, keep an eye out for the drop-down labeled Tax ID. This section is designed to house different types of tax identifiers used by your business. This is precisely where you'll be entering your LUT number, the exporter's unique identifier, which allows you to export without paying integrated tax on export goods. In the field adjacent to the Tax ID dropdown, you're going to input your LUT number. It's important to be accurate here, as errors in this field might lead to complications with tax filing. Double-check the number to ensure it's entered correctly. Finally, after inputting your LUT number, you need to make sure that all changes are saved in order to activate the update to your profile. Look for the Save button, typically located towards the bottom of the page. Clicking Save confirms that your LUT number and any other changes you might have made are stored in Zoho Books. And there you have it. You've successfully added your LUT number to Zoho Books. This update ensures that your business remains compliant with tax obligations, especially regarding exports. Always remember that keeping your accounting software updated with accurate information isn't just a regulatory necessity. It also empowers you to manage your business more efficiently. Should you wish to update any other tax-related information or require further adjustments to your profile in the future, these steps remain consistent. Thank you for joining us today. And be sure to check back for more helpful guides on managing your Zoho Books account.